Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Welcome! We have the perfect gift for the person that has everything, and we're going to start with a chenille stem, a spaghetti bead, and just some craft bond glue. Depending on how big your hole is in your spaghetti bead, but I had trouble with it, so I'm just going to do it this way. Take my chenille stem, dip it in some glue. I can put one piece of chenille in there quite easily. And then I'm going to decide how big I want my brush, make that little loop, and then I'm going to wrap it around, kind of give it a little twist there, wrap it around itself, and wipe some glue off here. And when I get it where I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and clip it off. I think that method works a lot better for me. So I am going to just use up my chenille stems here I have. Poke my chenille stem into my bead, and then I'm going to go ahead and make my loop and do my little wrap around and then trim it off. So I'm going to cut up these little cards that I made for my buttons. And I'm using my design to help me decide where to cut. So I have some of these cut up, and that they say belly button brush, the perfect gift for the person who has everything. Now that we have a bunch of these lint pieces made, I'm going to take my E6000 Repositional Extreme Tack Glue and put a little bit of that on the bead itself. And then I'm going to position it down on my card and set that aside, and I will do another one.